at my bed feet. He's gone down to the shore to see what he could see, and there he saw fair Annie's bark come rolling over the sea. Loud he cried, oh Annie, my dear. But all the loud that he did cry, fair Annie did not hear.
And when blue laughed, the waves crashed high and dashed the boat on shore. Fair Annie's corpse was in the babe rose nevermore. Then first he kissed her pale cheeks, and then he kissed her chin, and then he kissed her cold lips. There was no breath within.
Oh, woe betide my ill mother, and ill death may she die. She has not been the death of one, she's been the death of three. Then he took out a little dart that hung down by his side, and thrust it through and through his heart, and then lay down and died.